This is going to be a video product review of the floor lamp made by TECKIN. It is a 3000K LED lamp, and it's got 20 watts. It comes in black. The model number is FL31. You can buy this on Amazon. I will be leaving a link in the description, so if you click on that, you can order it. The lamp, as I said, has a black base. It's black poles. It has 88 LEDs. It is a 20-watt equivalent for LED. It is about 5 feet 7 inches tall. So we have 4 poles here with the wires connected into them. And I'm going to show you how to put this together. It comes with an AC adapter that we will be plugging into the bottom pole. We have a lamp part over here, and that is going to plug into the pole. And then down in the bottom, we have this extremely heavy, very sturdy base. And that will make your lamp very stable, so you should not have any problems with it wobbling around. My advice is to put this on a floor. It will be a lot easier for you to assemble all of this. Much safer. The very first step to assembly is take the pole with the wire and the adapter plug over there and screw that onto the base first. So I'm going to take the base on, put it on its side, and then I'm going to carefully screw this on. You want to go slow. You do not want to cross the threads. So make sure it starts to spin before you turn this with any force. And then I'm just going to hold the pole and I'm going to turn the base so I don't have to worry about the wires getting spun around inside the pole. So that's the first step. And then you're going to want to make sure that this is definitely tight. So tighten this down, hand tight. So we've got the first part done. I'm going to take the second pole. I am going to slide the wire through and again carefully turn the pole on to the threads until it is tight. And I'm going to do the same thing with the third pole. That is the third pole. I'm going to push the wires down. And what I'm going to do is you see how long this wire is at the top? I'm going to go to the bottom and I am going to pull the wire down. And when I do that, it will remove the slack at the top pole. And now I am able to tighten all 3 poles. Everything is done. Now we're going to go to the top pole. This is what it looks like on the top pole. The very top has a jack type fitting, and that is going to connect to the top part of the lamp. I'm going to show you that next. And here's the lamp LED part, and here is the plug that's going to plug into that. But first we are going to have to insert that wire, this wire over here, through this tube. It's going to take a little bit of maneuvering, but it won't be that difficult. We'll just raise the lamp up, push the wire through, wiggle it until it comes down to the bottom, and then I'm going to be plugging it into the top 3 poles that I just showed you a minute ago. Very easy to do. You can see the wire is entering the pole, and it is going to come out at the bottom. So I am going to plug this plug. I'm going to connect this plug to the top of the pole, and then after I do that, I will tighten the pole to this threaded fitting, and then we should be finished. I am not sure if there is any order, if you need to do this side first or if you need to do this side first, but I think it's going to be easier for me to screw this onto the top part. It'll be a lot easier. If it doesn't work, then I'll do it the other way, and you should do it the other way too if it doesn't work for you. But I think I have enough room here. I'm going to tighten that down and make sure it's secure. Make sure the thread is tight. Okay, it's tight now. So now I've got the plug. Plug it in there. And all I'm going to have to do is push downward. And it should work. I should be able to get that wire in there. Be careful. Don't push. Never push or force anything. I've got the wire in there, and I'm going to make sure that it starts to thread. And it's catching a little bit, so take your time. It's catching. Okay, there we go. I'm tightening the top part of the pole. Get that all done, and then I'm going to show you what the lamp looks like before I connect the power. Lamp is assembled. I'm going to take my power cord and remove the tie. Now, TECKIN makes really nice lamps. They also make a lamp almost like this, but it is controlled by Alexa or Google Assistant. So if that's something you want, then make sure you go on Amazon and do a search for that lamp. It is beautiful. And now that we have the power cord ready, I'm going to plug it into the base over here, and then I'm going to plug this into the wall. Plug your AC power plug into the wall. On the side of the lamp, we have a switch. Let's press it. The light comes on. I'm going to turn off the recording lights in a minute so you can see that. Should be able to hold it, and it will dim. I think it's 5% to 100%. So let me turn off the recording lights. And we have a nice 3000K light. It is not so extremely white that it is blue or that it's like 5000K, very bright daytime light. And it is not a yellowish incandescent type lamp. It is 3000K. It's a normal lighting for your house. So I'm going to go press on the button, and we are increasing the lighting. And then I'm going to press it again to dim it down. Look at that. Is that awesome? Is this beautiful? Hold it. The light increases. Hold it again, the lamp dims. Press it twice, it turns off. Press the switch again, it turns on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the switch down, and I'm going to get the lamp to go to full 100% brightness. Now I'm going to lightly tap the switch twice, once, and the light goes off. Now it's got a memory in it so that when you tap it again, it's going to turn on at the exact same brightness level that you set it before you turned it off. So if I turn this down, if I dim it down by holding the switch, one tap, light goes off, tap it again, light comes on at the same dim level. One nice feature of this lamp, among many, is that you can tilt the LED. So you can direct the light where you want it. You can also turn it. But you can also turn the lamp. But this is really nice that you can spin this in any direction to direct the lighting. Point it towards the wall, you will have nice lighting bouncing off the wall, lighting up the room. Point it more towards the ceiling, and you will light up the room even more. There it is, a 5'7" tall lamp, black in color, very easy to assemble, reasonable price, 3000K. On the light setting, about 5% to 100% dim level. It's got a very easy switch to use on the side of the lamp. It's made by TECKIN. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Click on that link and feel free to order this lamp.